Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Living Like Arti. Have you ever thought about the little treasures jingling in our pocket or hiding at the bottom of our bag? No, I'm not talking about candy wrappers. I'm talking about Canadian coins. They are more than just money. Each one has a story to tell. Let's uncover some fun, fascinating tales about our favorite coins. Let's dive in. Once upon a time, there was a tiny copper coin named penny. But in 2013, Canada said, sorry buddy, you are too expensive to keep around, and stopped making them. Why it was like that? The penny was discontinued because it cost 1.6 cents to produce a penny. That's a bad deal even for a coin. The value was 1 cent and it was costing 1.6 cents. If you find a penny minted in 1936 with a tiny dot on it, you are holding a treasure of thousands of dollars. So check your old piggy banks. You have any penny? Tell me in the comment section. The nickel 5-cent coin. It symbolizes busy beaver. Meet the hardest working animal in Canada. The beaver, it's so hardworking, it made its way onto the nickel in 1937. Story about it? The beaver symbolizes Canada's fur trade history. During the 1600s, beaver pelt were used as currency because they were so valuable. Makes you wonder, should we name it as beaver? No? Okay, let's move into next. The dime may be the smallest coin, but it's mighty. It features Bluenose, a ship so famous it's been called as the Queen of North Atlantic. Bluenose was a fishing and racing schooner that won so many races in 1920s and 1930s. It was a Canadian legend. Bluenose was so fast, they used to say it could outrun its own reflection. Okay, I might have made that up, but you get the idea. Now we have caribou on the quarter. It is Canada's tribute towards its vast and majestic wildlife. Caribou first appeared on the quarter in 1937 to celebrate Canada's connection to nature. Did you know caribou migrates thousands of kilometers every year? It is like walking from Toronto to Vancouver and back. I must say, that's a travel enthusiast for sure. The Loonie is more than just a $1 coin. It's a national icon. Did you know it was not supposed to look like that? The original design was Voyager on a canoe, but the original designs or the dies were lost while shipping. So to avoid counterfeiting, a new design was introduced featuring Loon. So can we say that a shipping mishap gave us this Loonie? The Toonie is like elder brother of Loonie. It's a $2 coin, right? And it has two colors, it's fancier, it's bigger. More than that, it has a polar bear on it. And did you know this polar bear has its own name? Yes, its name is Churchill and it is named after polar bear capital of Canada, and that is Churchill in Manitoba province. It was introduced in 1996, that means it's not too old. It represents Canada's Arctic life. Along with that, it shows its commitment towards environmental conservation. So next time when you grab some change, take a closer look. They aren't just coins. They are tiny pieces of Canada's history and culture. Which coin story did you like the most? Please mention in comment section below. If you like the video, you know what to do. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Living Like Arti. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.